Looking to use Browse AI for smart data filtering? In this video, I'm going to show you how this powerful tool can make data scraping and analysis easier, faster, and more effective, even if you're new to it. Stay tuned till the end, because I've got a special bonus that will give you exclusive access to a free trial. Browse AI helps you automate the extraction of data from websites without needing to write a single line of code. It's a simple yet powerful tool, perfect for anyone who needs to collect specific information from the web. Whether you're gathering product data, monitoring competitor prices, or tracking trends in your industry, Browse AI can do it all with just a few clicks. When you sign up for Browse AI, the first thing you'll notice is the ease of use. You can create data scraping workflows without any programming knowledge. This means you don't need to worry about learning how to code or complex APIs. With Browse AI, you're able to quickly extract the exact data you need and filter it based on your criteria. One of the key features of Browse AI for smart data filtering is its ability to focus on exactly what you want. You can select elements from the page with precision, and the tool will make sure it captures just that. Whether it's tables, lists, or images, Browse AI can narrow down your scraping to just the pieces of data that matter most to you. The tool allows you to easily set up recurring scraping tasks. This is perfect for data that changes frequently, like stock prices or inventory levels. You can configure Browse AI to check for updates at specific intervals, and the software will send you alerts as soon as it detects changes. This feature alone can save you hours of manual checking and help you stay on top of critical data in real time. Another powerful aspect of Browse AI is its smart filtering capabilities. Once you've gathered the data you need, you can apply filters to organize and refine the results. You can sort through large datasets quickly, remove duplicates, and even set rules for the kind of data you want to prioritize. Whether you're working with hundreds of thousands of rows or just a handful, Browse AI's filtering capabilities ensure you get exactly what you need. In terms of ease of integration, Browse AI allows you to export the data into various formats like CSV and JSON. This makes it easy to import your data into tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or even databases for deeper analysis. Plus, if you want to automate this process even further, you can integrate Browse AI with other platforms like Zapier, making it part of your larger workflow. Now, you might be wondering how you can start using Browse AI today. Well, the good news is you can get started with a completely free trial of Browse AI through the first link below, along with exclusive bonuses for our viewers. That's right. You don't have to commit to anything right now to see just how much smarter your data filtering can be with this tool. I know it's tempting to jump into something new, but trust me. Browse AI is built to save you time, help you make smarter decisions, and ultimately make your workflow far more efficient. Whether you're new to scraping or an experienced pro, Browse AI has something to offer for everyone. And just before you go, remember, the link below gives you access to a special extended free trial of Browse AI, so you can start using all its features today, risk-free. Don't miss out on this chance to level up your data filtering and scraping game. Start using Browse AI now, and see how easy it is to streamline your data collection and make smarter decisions faster.